All right, we have a YCM 4-axis vertical machining center, model XV1250, serial number 403055. It's new in 2004. It has a Sudacoma RN150 4th axis table, Fanuc 18M MXP 100i control, 24 tool side mounted tool changer, and we're going to run her for you. Right now, actually, the spindle is running.
3,000 RPM.
That's 3,000 RPM. Pretty quiet.
That's 5,500.
5,500 going up.
That's 8,200.
That's 8,200. It's a 10,000 maximum spindle. By the way, it's also a Cat 40 taper in that spindle. Okay. Jog the axes around. Again, telescopic weight covers on the 3 axes. That's the x-axis. The y-axis. And the Z.
And last but not least,
You see the rotary table? Might want to shoot the control there. Again, it's the Fanuc control, and you have Fanuc AC servos and drives for all axes. All right, hey, thank you for watching the video.